I'm sure you've heard the phrase, a journey of 1,000 miles starts with one step. Learntor took that bold step in 2019. We were focused on bridging the digital skill gap, getting more women into the tech space, and developing the next generation of tech talent to meet with the growing demand of high rate of unemployment, currently at 33%. We have trained 2,380 learners. We have helped 275 people secure international certification in data analytics in Scrum. This could not have been possible without the partnership of Scrum.org. We are eternally grateful to Scrum.org for trusting Learntor, making Learntor a member of the professional training network. I cannot say that we did this alone without the support of our professional trainers that have stuck and grinded with us from inception, from cohort 1 to cohort 5. I want to appreciate the Startup Wise guys for the opportunity of making it possible to connect with Taskilled, where we have done the biggest partnership till yet. We're not about certification. We want you to learn right with the skills that matter. Taskilled is an organization that is helping mitigate with helping you build a portfolio. Organizations are not giving newbies opportunity to get into the tech space without prior experience. Taskilled is solving that problem. So what they do is help you build skill portfolio, give you access to internship placement, with simulated games and access to Mentor. And you can see here, Learntor is on their website. Yay, yay, yay! This has been a journey, and this is going to be a game changer because there are people that want to develop tech skills, but they don't have where to practice what they're learning. And Learntor has met with that demand. Learntor Cohort 6 is happening. What would you be learning? Design thinking, Scrum, PMO Office, Scrum Master, with a professional Scrum Master certification. They're going to be taking you an SQL so that you can begin your journey into machine learning and data science.